So, good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, thank you, Denver. It's an honor to be here and to build here. My name is, we don't care about your F name, and that's fine. I'm Chief Disrupt Officer at One Way Blog, and today we will quickly discuss two topics. First, the GameFi 2.0, where game comes first and not finance. And the second, the significant role that AI, Mr. AI, will play in strengthening this renaissance. So let's begin with a brief introduction. One Way Blog Gaming is a startup that originally bootstrapped for 3 years using friends and family style. And our focus was on particularly one goal: to break the cycle of GameFi Ponzi schemes. These schemes often prioritize finance at the expense of actual gameplay. As a result, despite numerous attempts at stimulation and kind of other stuff, many projects just end up in the graveyard of history. Our assumption was a little bit different, that certain game hybrids could provide exceptional experience along with impressive economy, especially in the Web3 optional case. 6 months ago, we closed our first pre-seed round and developed the alpha version of our flagship MMORPG Clash of Coins. Since that, we've collected about hundreds of reviews affirming that it's genuinely playable for more than just the points and just TGE and all kind of regular things. Some of our key metrics include 100,000 users in 3 months. Actually, right now we are fastest growing GameFi on base. The number of hours is above industry. And retention plus stickiness as well. Our next crucial objective is to launch in-game economy where revenue and players will not be undermined by inflation from all directions. Our strategic roadmap consists of the following steps. First, build a working gaming flagship. Second, develop an infrastructure based on the success economy. And third, optimize the entire product with the help of AI. And finally, open it to our B2B partners. And now, let's get to the exciting part. It's time to introduce our Mr. CTO.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, I'm Slav. And from my perspective, game plus Fi is not the key to disrupt. I think that actually combining the game plus AI might be the key. Well, it's actually the key. What do we have now? One of our important gameplay features is a virus. When the gameplay session becomes boring or overcrowded, the virus starts the gameplay disco to entertain everyone, turning the things upside down. But that's the most basic level of interaction. We have players, we have data. What use cases we might have in 24 months' time? The first one, AI agent going beyond the traditional NPCs with multimodality and multi-domain, like bidirectional voice communication with your AI friend, co-presence, sharing screen in Discord to discuss the tactics. You make a screenshot of the map. Okay, I'm still here. Yeah, so making the screenshot of the map, saying a few words, and then sending it to the AI agent. After 5 minutes, your AI guy comes back with the scribbles or the screenshot with the proposed tactics to capture the continent. Yeah, like maybe even AI agent calling you in Discord in the middle of the night with some genius idea how to play the game. AI clan leaders forging alliances with humans. So basically combining traditional metagame with AI agents is potentially LTV and engagement game changer. But we don't know for sure what works and what doesn't. But to find out, we just need to do solid A/B tests, experiments, iterate quickly as we have active user base and the live build. That's what we're going to do. And the most important thing is that a successful part of those experiments will allow us to open AI-driven tools to studios to seamlessly integrate engaging, living, and self-evolving mechanics to their products. Let's dive into even more stuff. AI agent industry right now is a gigantic sandbox. Let's call AI agents that is fine-tuned with the basic understanding of game design, the game agent. Historically, human-to-human communication, interaction in games, for example, Rust and Minecraft, has always had the potential to be an exceptionally memorable and engaging experience. You spawn in the game, you meet some other guy just like you, random stuff happens, and if developers are lucky, the encounter was good. By combining the traditional game design with AI, we will be able to entertain players even more. By fine-tuning the game agent with the data from a particular player for mimicking their playstyle, attitude, or maybe something else, for the particular player, we basically can select our own version of Agent Smith from the second part of Matrix. So for like a moderate amount of soft currency in the game, as a player, you would be able to make several clones of yourself with specific goals and become more productive in the game. We might even see engagement agents that with goals from the developers create some marketing activity according to their own developed strategy, like create a Twitch channel, run tournaments, earn in-game rewards and distribute them back to human and game agent players. And that's probably the next slide. Yeah, and we can and we will do AI-driven matchmaking, live ops, AI predictive analytics, and this sounds so sweet. But what about the challenges? Right now, the intersection of the game dev and the AI agents is a big experiment and Wild West. But we know that by hard work, iterating, A/B testing, we will find the way. Hallucinating AI, composability issues, the actual need for composability, competition. After that long, hard path, we will transform any game with our AI-driven tools, and together with you, we'll be able to witness like amazing things that were unimaginable on the previous market cycle in the game design, game dev, and around it. And we believe that our AI tools and infrastructure will allow to create new revenue streams for OWB and our B2B partner studios. So guys, I really think that the future is gonna be AI-some. Thank you.
Confetti bits, I'm curious.